Hey everybody, Chris Lipley here, Service Manager at Leonard Truck and Trailer. I have with me Brian Ceresna, our lead technician, and what we're going to do for you is go over what a service pack involves. That way, when you get your trailer in the winter, maybe not using it as much, bring it on in. We'll take care of you, get everything checked out for you. That way, when that springtime comes, you go out and start making money.
We're going to go in here and we're going to check all the tire depth on here. We're going to rotate your tires. We're going to pull them off. We're going to check your bearings. We're going to clean these and repack them. We're going to replace all your seals. We're going to check all your brakes. We're going to check your hubs. Make sure everything is within spec. We are going to torque these down to the desired torquing of whatever the unit calls for. We're going to grease all grease fittings all the way around the trailer. We're going to check all your lights. We're going to check and make sure that everything is operating as it should. When we go from there, we're going to inspect your frame, make sure we have no issues going on here. We're going to check your coupler. We're going to make sure that this is all within working order. We're going to check your breakaway. We'll check your breakaway battery box. And again, we will go through, we will make sure all moving parts on the trailer are lubed, working, in operable condition.
Hey, thank you everybody for stopping over today and checking out our video with our lead tech Brian Ceresna as he walked you through your service pack. Also, keep in mind guys, it doesn't just have to be this beautiful binky equipment trailer. We service all trailers here at Leonard Truck and Trailer. Your equipment trailers, your snowmobile trailers, your horse trailers, your LQs, dump trailers, anything that you could possibly think of, this full service shop here can take care of for you. During these winter months, maybe you just want your trailer cleaned up a little bit. Bring it on in here. We have a full service detail shop that'll take care of you. Keep in mind, we have a full service parts center here. Anything you want to add on to these trailers, we can take care of for you. Full fabrication shop, anything in your wildest dreams you can think of, here at Leonard Truck and Trailer, we're going to take care of for you. We got a nice toolbox here, you want to add that on. We also have spare tires fully in stock. Anytime that you possibly need anything, you come check us out. We'll be more than happy to take care of you. Thanks guys.